Welcome back to Drinks Made Easy, because cocktails don't have to be complicated. Today we're taking a look at the Horsefeather, a really easy old drink that has kind of an obscure past because, well, cocktails. The Horsefeather first appears in Gary Regan's 1991 cocktail book, but there was a recent great article in the Robb Report by Jason O'Brien where he delves into this regionalized drink that a lot of people have never had. It's kind of a riff on the horse's neck or on a lot of mules, but it's simple, easy to make in a glass, and really just quite delicious. So without any further ado, let's make a cocktail. The Horsefeather is a really simple cocktail to construct since we're going to be making it in the glass. So to make it a little extra fancy, even though we are Drinks Made Easy, we're going to crack some large format ice because we finally got our act together and have nice blocks of frozen water. Now that we've got our ice, we'll start with 2 ounces of rye. Then I'm going with a drier rye, a Paradigm rye from Widow Jane, which I work for and love. Half an ounce of fresh lemon juice. 1/4 ounce of either simple syrup or ginger syrup if you happen to have some ginger syrup. 2 dashes of Angostura Bitters. And then top that off with a couple ounces of either ginger ale, ginger beer, or what you have available. Give that a quick little stir to integrate those flavors. And garnish with a lemon, wheel, wedge, or peel, whatever you have around. And easy as that, you have the Horsefeather. Simple cocktails like this are always refreshing and delightful as long as you're using great ingredients. I'm a fan of the horse's neck, I'm a fan of mules in general, so if you've never tried this variation, I highly recommend checking it out. Also a reminder, if you want to learn more about the Horsefeather, we're going to put a link to the article by Jason O'Brien that he just did in the Robb Report. I thought it was a great medium dive into the origins of this particular cocktail, so check it out. Let us know what you think. Cheers. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions or there's videos you want to see, whether they are with booze or without, please be sure to leave a comment. If you enjoyed it, be sure to smash the like button and share it with your friends. And if you hated it, well, tell your enemies about us. Cheers from Drinks Made Easy.